The NITI AAYOG has created a blueprint for India's development in next 25 years into a developed nation with a $30 trillion economy at the 100th year of independence. The project name is Vision India at 2047, transforming the nation's future. The objective of the plans are 30 trillion economy, per capita income of $18,000 to $20,000 with strong public finance and robust financial sector. World-class infrastructure building in rural and urban areas. Minimum government and maximum governance with emphasis on digital economy and digital governance. Developing 3 to 4 global champions in every sector by merger or restructuring and boosting indigenous industry and innovation. Becoming self-reliant in defense, space and increasing the India's role globally. Fostering green growth and climate action by increasing renewable energy capacity and reducing carbon emissions. Empowering youth through education, skills and increased employment opportunities. Partnering with foreign research and development organizations to build top 10 labs in India and bring at least 10 Indian institutions among top 100 institutions globally. What are the factors contributing to India's economic growth? Demographic dividend with 40% population having an age less than 25. Growth of middle class. By 2050, there will be a 50 crore middle class population in India that contributes to huge domestic market and huge domestic demand. Accelerated digital economy. India has witnessed a digital transformation, innovation, especially in e-commerce, fintech, edutech platforms, healthcare and agri-tech systems. All these having potential to create new jobs, increasing efficiency, have increased access to services. Sustainability focused economy. India has been investing in renewable energy, green infrastructure, climate resilience, lowering carbon footprint and increasing the environment quality. So there are challenges before India's 30 trillion economy vision. 1. Middle income trap. There are apprehensions that India reaches a situation whereby a middle income country with per capita income of $5,000 to $6,000 is failing to transition to a high income economy due to rising costs and declining competitiveness. 2. Aging population leads to increasing healthcare costs, pension liabilities and labor shortages. 3. Geopolitics and regional integration. India is having increasing tensions with China and Pakistan. India is currently balancing between US, Russia and other powers. 4. Stagnant agriculture and manufacturing sectors. Agricultural sector having 50% of the workforce is contributing just 17% to GDP. Manufacturing sector is stagnant for many decades, contributing just 15% to GDP. 5. Labor force participation. In India, the labor force participation rate is just 40.4%, which is lower than the global average of 61.4%. So more needs to be done to achieve the 2047 vision of India being a developed nation. Increasing labor force participation by investing more in education and skill development. National Education Policy, Skill India Mission are in right direction. Accelerating infrastructure pipeline. For example, developing roads, railways, ports, airports, power, water to improve connectivity, efficiency and quality of life. The National Infrastructure Pipeline having allocated rupees 100 lakh crore is in right path. Build on manufacturing momentum. For example, India can excel in electronics, pharmaceutical, defense through PLI schemes. India can build self-reliance, increase jobs, increase exports and FDI inflow. Financial sector reforms are on the way with urban planning and digital governance also fueling the growth. Increasing the capital accumulation. Government can play a key role in boosting investments by offering support for infrastructure and manufacturing projects. So, the guiding pillars for our 2047 vision would be innovation and technology, human development, social welfare, and being the champion of environment sustainability.